alongside 38 dedicated team members. They farm about 4,500 acres in Warren and Washington to feed their herd. In 2020, they partnered with Argyle Cheese Farmer in Hudson Falls to bring quality dairy products directly to their local community. Folks, when one of their own was struck by a deadly disease, Randy Getty was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer. An idea was born. Harvesting corn for a cause. This was Randy's idea to invite local community, family and friends into the chopper seat to witness the excitement of corn harvest in exchange for their support of Pancreatic Cancer Action Network and Glens Falls Hospital Foundation. $500. Corn seed is planted. In May or June, it grows all summer, chop, plant, ear, and all in mid-September and October. They harvested 2,600 acres of corn in just 3 weeks to raise money for this deadly disease. They hosted 75 chopper rides. Chopped corn is stored in large bunkers covered with plastic and tires to keep out the air. It will ferment and be preserved naturally for a year or more. Corn silage is an important staple in their cows' diets and plays a big role in keeping them healthy and producing high-quality milk. Ladies and gentlemen, joining me in the arena right now are the owners of Ideal Dairy. In this community, if you know that family, if you know that business, then you know the man, Randy Getty. Ladies and gentlemen, he fights every day, and the Adirondack Stampede Rodeo is proud to donate $5,000 to the Glens Falls Hospital Foundation in honor of Randy Getty and harvesting corn for a cause. Ladies and gentlemen, if you work a fraction of what Randy has in your life, you're doing something special. That man is a staple in this community, in the Adirondacks and the dairy farming community. Randy, thank you for everything you've done for this community. We love you.